Hi, I recently purchased LG's split AC and I am here to tell you all about it. LG's ACs are designed to provide efficient and reliable cooling solutions for both residential and commercial spaces. This AC is available to you in aesthetic colors and designs like beige, regal, crystal, white, gold deco and floral. It comes with cutting-edge technology and a sleek design. It comes with a 4 and 5-star energy-saving rating. Suitable for small to medium-sized rooms, it also boasts an impressive ISEER rating of 4.62 to 5.2 and has an annual energy consumption of 521.2 to 838.5 units depending upon the star rating. LG's AC comes with revolutionary AI plus technology and a robust sensing mechanism that adjusts your cooling system according to environment load and usage pattern, providing you optimum comfort. Furthermore, it is also equipped with an AI convertible 6-in-1 cooling technology that allows you to flexibly adjust the cooling capacity of your AC as per your needs. And with its Virat mode, it operates even at 110% capacity without any time limit, providing you with instant cooling during hot summer days. Made from copper tubes with ocean black fin and ocean black protection, this AC comes with exceptional durability. The unit can also be accessed at any time and from anywhere using your smartphone with LG's ThinkQ app. Wi-Fi ACs can also be controlled using voice with Amazon Alexa or Google AI speakers. Also, it comes with an enhanced stabilizer free plus operation that prevents voltage fluctuations without compromising on your safety, savings or comfort. Experience uniform cooling with this AC's horizontal and vertical swing action, providing better airflow throughout the room. Its 6 fan speeds give you the freedom to customize your cooling preferences, ensuring optimal comfort. With the auto clean function, you can say goodbye to bacteria and mold formation as well as bad odor. Hassle-free maintenance is guaranteed with the Smart Diagnosis feature, which provides instant feedback and recommendations for quick resolution of any issues. And with the mute function, you can enjoy peaceful, silent operation. LG Split AC comes with a 1-year warranty on the product, 10 years on the compressor with gas charging, and 5 years warranty on PCB. When you purchase LG's Split AC, you get 1 indoor unit, 1 outdoor unit, 1 user manual, 1 power cable, 1 remote, 1 install plate, 2 installation copper pipe. Check out delivery and installation messaging.